What do men want? I guess that will always depend on the man. The better question is, what do men need? Men need space. They need time. They need quiet. Men need a place to size up their demons and wrestle with them. They don't need comfort. They need a challenge. They don't need luxury. They need simple pleasures. They don't need accolades. They need recognized competence.
Nice work.
They don't need a timeout. They need an earned Sabbath. Men need to be useful, need to give back. Men need brothers. Can you cram all that into one day? I don't know. But I'm damn sure gonna try.
You kissed it. Shut your face.
Nice. 254. Stand by. Let's go, Jerk.
Oh, you got it.
All right. Get it.
Shoot pretty. Kill him. You got this. Yeah. Oh, you son of a... Shortly.
your